Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Caesar from Puente Hyundai, and today I'm going to be going over the two drive modes for the Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. Alright, so now that we're in the vehicle, I'm going to go over the two drive modes that the Hyundai Ioniq plug-in offers and also the Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. So once you're in the vehicle, usually it'll automatically be set to the eco mode, which you're going to be able to see on your cluster display. But some people don't know that they actually have a sport mode. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your shifter, go down to drive. Once you're in drive, you're going to flip it over to the S, so you're just going to go left. Keep it there, and it will turn red once you slide it over, and also your dash, your cluster display will turn red as well. And since it's digital, it'll kind of change a little bit of the image as well to give you kind of more of a futuristic feel. Now, if you keep it like this, you will stay in sport mode. So be careful if you happen to push it up or down. That means you're going to be in the Shiftronic mode, also still in sport mode, but then you're going to have to manually switch the gears up or down if that ever happens. So like I said, just keep it in drive. If you want the sport mode, just flip it over to the S. Do not move it up or down, and it'll be in automatic and in sport mode. Thank you again for joining us today. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments box. Other than that, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share our video, and we'll see you next time here at Puente Hyundai.